After spending 4 days and 3 nights in the remote port of Marina Los Moros, where it's no man's land, we refueled and fixed an autopilot that don't hold course. Finally, a good weather window has arrived. With northwesterly wind, we were ready to cross the Gulf Stream. We left early in the morning, heading to Cape San Antonio, where the southern current can carry shanty into the outskirts of the Yucatan Channel and into Mexico.
We have just left Los Moros. It's Tuesday. What day is it today? Tuesday. We wanted to leave yesterday, Monday, but Maria was not ready. So we had to wait for a happy crew. Happy crew, happy sailing. But it was good that we waited because, we got a Wi-Fi card and we rested a little bit more. Maria's doing all the lines. This is the cape that we have to round. That's the tip of Cuba, basically. This is Los Moros, the marina. We spent 3 days there. It was a good time. All I remember is trying to find the internet. That's my biggest memory. Here we go again. A 179-mile journey. No, autopilot's gonna work. That's where we are. We're gonna go south because, have faith. We're gonna go south to use the current, then southwest, and then we're gonna go northwest because there's a Yucatan Channel. The current goes up north, so it's gonna take us up basically. We're going down south. It's the straight shoot is 110 nautical miles only. I wish it was that easy, so it has to be 180. We have to take the south current all the way down. We'll probably be on a broad reach here because we have the wind coming from the southeast. So we'll sail for about 90 nautical miles till we're in latitude 20 degrees 30 minutes, parallel with this island here in Mexico. Then we encounter the Gulf Stream, the Yucatan Channel, and it's going to be not running that way. So we're going to turn the boat east. And with the leeway is going to push us toward Isla Mujeres. That's the plan, at least.
You just sail, moving on.
Woo! Wobbly sea! I love this song. How is she feeling? What's that speed? Huh? Woo! Sailing!
Ready?
Yeah, baby!
7.1.
What about now? I just killed the engine.
5.7.
We're rounding the Cape, Cabo de San Antonio, right there, baby. Sailing upwind. What's our record speed so far, Maria? 8 knots, baby. I'm hungry. Sailing makes me hungry. Sailing upwind is my favorite angle of sail. You can really feel the waves. It's bumpy and wet, but you can really feel the sea. The first leg of the journey is going to be upwind, pretty much like that for 15 hours. But because we're going fast, I think we can make it faster. It's blowing really hard. Must be like 20-25 knots of wind. Maybe with the gusts over 25. There's a lot of like white horses around. These are white horses. They form over 20 knots. Not observe these waves to be like I'm double reefed and yeah.
Good morning. What are you doing?
I signed it. I'm watching Lord of the Rings. I'm on the second one already. We sailed all night and we're in a closed reach on a starboard side.
Master Dragons.
Coffee. It's the only thing that kept me awake. And popcorn. My two favorite things. And helmet with my foot too.
That won't be necessary. Keep up on foot here. I don't want to share.
What?
Okay, yeah.
Once.
You have to manage without pocket handkerchiefs. And there are many other things. Gutenberg back before we reach your journey's end. You were born.
They have some popcorn.
Little superstar.
I just saw
Oh, it's now behind you.
Oh, Peter Captain, some popcorn. Oh, the sun is out.